Hey jewellers, we're back with another book focus, and this month we're showing you inside The Basics of Bead Stringing by Debbie Kanan. Fun fact, we've actually been selling this book since 1997 and it continues to be a popular choice for budding beaders. This is such a lovely little book filled with guides and techniques for both beginner and advanced designers, covering beading basics all the way to stitching methods. It breaks down techniques so they're really easy to understand, including guidance on stringing, knotting, as well as how to use findings, wire wrap and finish necklaces. We love that it's packed full of hand-drawn illustrations of projects and techniques, adding a lovely personal feel to the book, and it makes it really easy to follow along. We also like how simple it is and how it doesn't overcomplicate beading and overwhelm beginners. You can use the book to build your skills as you work your way through, or simply dip in and out when you fancy trying a new technique or fancy refreshing your knowledge. So go and give beading a go and grab yourself a copy online at Kernowcraft.com, where you'll also find loads more books to add to your bookshelf. And don't forget to check out our free beading and wire work tutorials on our website for loads more inspiration. Happy beading!